come back. We will introduce the recurrence formula for Pn x, means legendary polynomial. First recurrence formula is twice n plus 1 x Pn is equal to n plus 1 Pn plus 1 plus n Pn minus 1. Or its proof, Pn means Pnx. Here Pn means Pnx. Now proof. We have generating function. 1 minus twice xh plus h square raised to the power minus 1 by 2 is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity h raised to the power n into Pnx. This is the equation number 1. This equation differentiate with respect to h. We get differentiate with respect to h. X is constant. So here differentiation of this is minus 1 by 2. 1 minus twice x h plus h square raised to the power minus 3 by 2 into differentiation of inner side of bracket. This is minus twice x plus twice h is equal to n is equal to 0 to infinity n h raised to the power n minus 1 Pn. This implies, now 2 common here, 2 and 2 cancel. This is x minus h multiplied by minus symbol. X minus h, 1 minus twice hx twice xh plus h square raised to the power minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus twice xh plus h square bracket close n is equal to 0 to infinity n h raised to the power n minus 1 Pnx. Here 1 minus twice xh plus h square is, here power is minus 3 by 2, break into 2 part, minus 1 by 2 and 1 minus 1. So minus 1 in numerator and cross multiplication we get this step. This implies this x minus h and this is the x minus h. This is again equal to, from equation 1, equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity h raised to the power n Pnx is equal to 1 minus twice xh plus h square and this summation. Now open the summation. Put here n is equal to 0. This is h raised to the power 0 P0, h raised to the power 1 P1, h raised to the power n minus 1 Pn minus 1, h raised to the power n Pn and so on up to infinity. This is infinite summation is equal to, now this summation multiplied by 1 multiplied by twice xh multiplied by h square and this. Again open the summation of right side. So is equal to, this is the n into, open this summation, n is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 5 up to n minus 1 and again here open minus twice x, this is minus twice x, h multiplied here, h raised to the power n and n multiplied here. So n is equal to 1 to n is equal to 1, h raised to the power 1 P1 and up to n h raised to the power n Pn. Here n is equal to 0. Put n is equal to 0 means n is equal to 0 means first term will be 0. So here put n is equal to 1 and here again in third n is equal to 0 to infinity. This is the third series. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Equating the coefficient of h raised to the powers on both sides. So, come back on first side. So here this is x, this is h raised to the power n Pnx. So x into Pnx, x into Pnx. This is the minus h raised to the power 1, h raised to the power n minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Here only h raised to the power n and Pn minus 1. This is this. In first bracket, this is h raised to the power n and its coefficient n plus 1 Pn plus 1, n plus 1 Pn plus 1. In second bracket, here h raised to the power n coefficient is minus twice x n Pn x. This. In third, Here h raised to the power n its coefficient n minus 1 and pn minus 1. This implies now x one side, x coefficient one side, so this is x pn x plus twice x n p n is equal to n plus 1 pn plus 1 plus pn minus 1 plus n minus 1 pn minus 1, and rearrange and we get twice n plus 1 x p n is equal to n plus 1 pn plus 1 plus n pn minus 1, and this is the formula, first recurrence formula, and it is denoted by RF1, recurrence formula 1 for pnx. This is the important formula, and important thing is expansion of this series. This is the series as 0 to 1, 0 to n is equal to 0 to infinity, n is equal to 1 to infinity, 1 to infinity, and so on. This is the first recurrence formula. Means this is generating function differentiate with respect to h. Next recurrence formula, second, npn is equal to x p dash n minus p dash n minus 1. Same proof. We have again generating function as a previous recurrence formula. Differentiate with respect to h again. Same derivative here, minus 1 by 2, 1 minus twice x h plus h square minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into minus twice x plus twice h is equal to summation n h raised to the power n minus 1 pn. Now 2 cancel and we get x minus h here in numerator and cross multiplication here in denominator. Now again equation 1 differentiate with respect to x. This is equation number 2, and again equation 1 differentiate with respect to x we get. Here differentiate with respect to h, and here differentiate with respect to x. Different thing, both are different thing. So this is first derivative is same. This is minus 1 by 2, and this minus 1 minus twice x h plus h square raised to power minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into derivative of inner side with respect to x means derivative is minus twice x h. This is minus twice h, and here summation h raised to the power n. Pn means pnx, and first derivative pnx converted into p dash nx, right here p dash n. This implies 2 again cancel, minus minus cancel, here h only, again this h here in denominator. This is the equation number 3. Look here left hand side and this left hand side are same, so right hand sides are equal in equation number 2 and 3. Right here from equation 2 and 3 we get again here right hand sides are equal, this and this. Here cross multiplication again, h here, x minus h here, this is the summation, this is the summation. Now here this multiply this summation with x and h. This is the put n plus 1 is equal to n in last term. Here n plus 1 is equal to n, means put this in only last term. So first summation is same, second summation is same, in last summation change h raised to the power n into p dash n minus 1. Why we put here n plus 1 is equal to n in last term? For equating the coefficient of h raised to the power n. Look here, this is the h raised to the power n, h raised to the power n, and here h raised to the power n plus 1. So we can convert the power of h raised to the power n plus 1 in n. So put n plus 1 is equal to n here. Understand? So, now equate the coefficient of h raised to the power n. Now so easy. Here n pn and here x p dash n minus p dash n minus 1. These are the coefficients of h raised to the power n, and this is the second RF. This is for pn x. Now third RF. Recurrence formula third. 2n plus 1 Pn is equal to P dash n plus 1 minus P dash n minus 1. First, second and third are main recurrence formulas. Again we have first recurrence formula. We have first recurrence formula. First recurrence formula means 2nx 2n plus 1x Pn is equal to n plus 1 Pn plus 1 plus n Pn minus 1, equation number 1. Now this equation, recurrence formula number 1, differentiate with respect to x, we get here we have two functions, x and Pnx. So 2n plus 1 is constant, and here first function derivative of second plus second function derivative of first, derivative of x means 1, this is the derivative, is equal to n plus 1 in again constant, p, this is derivative means days, here again derivative means days. Again we have nPn is equal to second recurrence formula, x P dash n minus P dash n minus 1. Rearrange, this is nPn, side chain, this is P dash n minus 1 is equal to x P dash n. Here x P dash n, put this value in equation number second, this, substitute the value, this is equal to n plus 1 P dash n plus 1 plus n P dash n minus 1. 2n plus 1 is constant. Now here Pn and Pn common, so its coefficient is n plus 1 plus P dash n minus 1 and this. Now open, multiplying this 2n plus 1, this coefficient n plus 1 and is equal to, this is n plus 1 P dash n plus 1 and this n P dash n minus 1 and 2n plus 1 P dash n minus 1 minus, here plus, side change, minus 2n plus 1 P dash n minus 1. This implies twice n plus 1 into n plus 1 Pn is equal to n plus 1 P dash n plus 1 minus, this is so its solution, n plus 1 P dash n minus 1. Now n plus 1 is common on both sides, so cancel. We get twice n plus 1 Pn is equal to P dash n plus 1 minus P dash n minus 1. This is the third recurrence formula. Next recurrence formula is fourth recurrence formula. This is n plus 1 Pn P dash n plus 1 minus x P dash n. Proof. We have third recurrence formula, twice n plus 1 Pn P dash n plus 1 minus P dash n minus 1, equation number 1, and this is the second recurrence formula, nPn is equal to x P dash n minus P dash n minus 1, second recurrence formula. Subtract equation number 1 and 2. So here twice n plus 1 Pn minus n Pn is equal to P dash n plus 1 minus x P dash n minus P dash n minus 1 minus x P dash n plus P dash n plus 1 plus P dash n plus 1, and after solving we get this result, n plus 1 Pn is equal to P dash n plus 1 minus x P dash n. This is the fourth recurrence formula. Fifth recurrence formula, x minus 1 P dash n, x 1 minus x square P dash n is equal to n Pn minus 1 minus x Pn. Proof. We have previous recurrence formula, nPn is equal to x P dash n minus P dash n minus 1. and this recurrence formula multiplied by x. So we get nx p dash n, x into x, x square p dash n minus x p dash n minus 1, equation number 1. And next recurrence formula, n plus 1 pn is equal to p dash n plus 1 minus x p dash n. Here put n is equal to n minus 1. Here put n is equal to n minus 1. So here n minus 1, n 1 cancel, n pn minus 1 p dash n 1 cancel, x p dash n minus 1, equation number 2. Again subtract equation we get. Now subtracting, this is left hand side of equation number 1, left hand side of equation number 2, right hand side of equation number 1 and minus right hand side of equation number 2. And second step, this is n pn minus 1 minus nx pn is equal to p dash n minus x p dash n minus 1 minus x square p dash n minus and plus this. Same step. Therefore this is n common, here n common, and here this is p dash n minus 1, this second term and last term cancel, so 1 minus x square p dash n, side change 1 minus x square p dash n is equal to n pn minus 1 minus x pn. This is the fifth number recurrence formula. Now sixth number, 1 minus x square p dash n plus 1 x pn minus pn plus 1. Fifth and sixth similar. We have again first recurrence formula, twice n plus 1 x pn is equal to n plus 1 pn plus 1 pn plus 1 plus n minus 1. Therefore now change, rearrange n minus 1 and side change twice n plus 1 x pn minus n plus 1 pn plus 1 is equal to 1. And fifth recurrence formula, 1 minus x square p dash n is equal to n pn minus 1 minus x pn. Again rearrange, this is 1 minus x square p dash n pn minus 1 minus n, substitute the value, so this is n x pn, equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 again, 1 minus x square p dash n is equal to twice n plus 1 x pn minus n plus 1 pn plus 1 minus nx pn, and therefore we get finally 6 number recurrence formula. These are the recurrence formulas and most important formulas.